Ciao Tesla people. So yesterday while I was doing the trip, 400-kilometer trip, I received a notification that there is a software update finally, and it's the 2024.8.7. Here is the screen. And this update, in the meantime, I will start the update. So I can accelerate the speed up the process. Yep, I already downloaded and it's doing the installation. So this update has 15 new features, which is really good. I was waiting for. There are the metrics lights, a bunch of other new features. Anyway, I'm going to do a time lapse of the installation. So for you, it will take a few seconds. For me, around half an hour, the usual, maybe a bit more because there are so many new features. We'll see. And I'll see you in a bit. We will discuss all the new features that are available. Okay? So I'll see you in a bit. Again, I'm done with the installation. Here is the release notes. Of course, .8.7 does only security improvements and bug fixes. But if you go to .8, there are a bunch of new features. Okay, I was on 2.7, I think, and you can see from here there is a blue dot. Anytime there is a blue dot, that means there is new features. So we'll go to the blue dot, and in the meantime, let me get the sorry, let me get the list of 15 new features that I got it here. Okay. Um, okay. Anyway, let's let's check the blue dot first. Actually, let's check the list. Okay, and then we'll do the blue dot and the new features, and then what is new on the pad. Okay, display. So not all features, of course, are available everywhere in the world. Maybe are available some in the US and some here in Europe or maybe Asia, wherever you are. So first feature, vehicle alarm includes trailer. So I don't have a trailer, but if you have a hook for a trailer, your vehicle alarm now also monitors wherever your trailer is plugged in to the hitch. Sorry. And then the trailer alert sets and turn off along with the vehicle alarm. You can disable the security feature in your vehicle settings at towing and hauling trailer alarm, which is good. So if you have a trailer, your vehicle alarm includes the trailer. The ultra wideband phone key. Okay, we went through this before. One-time charge limit. So you get an icon with 1x. I don't know if you see here, 1x. And if you're planning a road trip, you can choose the one-time charge option. This option appears when you increase the charge limit above the daily driving recommendations. And afterward, your vehicle will automatically revert back to your previously daily driving charge limit. Oh, pretty cool. So, for example, I did just a 400-kilometer trip. So I set the charge limit. Usually I do 80, 85, and I set it to 95. So in this case, I didn't have to revert back to 80 or 85, but it will do it by itself. This is nice. We will reset the tire mileage. So to see the number of miles traveled since your last tire service in your vehicle, go to settings, service, and look in the upper right corner. Okay, yeah, I think we had this. Rear passenger headphones. Okay, yeah. So if you have a display in the back, original, of course, OEM, you can hook up your Bluetooth headsets to that screen and play videos or music just on that. Auto wipers now have auto settings that detects precipitation and adjusting the wiping speed and intensity. I think they did improvements to this. Oh, danger zone on your route. This is cool. So you get an icon with an exclamatory point there in red. Navigation now includes symbols along your route to show danger zones. To see this route information, you must have navigation routing turned on, require premium connectivity. I have premium connectivity, so I'll add that. Let me see if the uh, automatic, yeah, online routing here, optimal based on traffic conditions. Pretty good. What else? Adaptive high beams. This is the matrix lights, finally. So high beams now adapted to reduce the glare on other drivers, cyclists, by detecting other road users and selective dimming individual pixels on the headlights. Your high beams stay on more often for greater visibility at night. To turn on this feature in your vehicle, go to Settings, Lights, and Adaptive High Beams. And here is, lights. There was a blue dot here. So adaptive high beams here. Select dims individual pixels, high beams. So you select it like this, okay? Okay, let me, just a second that I have to turn off the music. It did not. Okay, great. So the lights, auto beams, I enable it. So this is available just to the cars that they have the hardware. So if they have the hardware, you won't have this feature. Speed camera on your route. I think I had this already. So navigation now includes the symbols along with the show speed cameras. And yesterday on the highway, they showed it on the navigation. Security improvements. Windshield washer. This is interesting. The nozzle that sprays in windshield on the left stalk on the steering wheel button, model dependent, is held down. Previously only sprayed the windshield when the wipers were in the lower position. With this update, the nozzle will spray the windshield anytime the button is held for a brief period, regardless on the position. Oh, this is good. And I noticed this was a problem. So when you use this lever to push for windshield, you push, it spray the liquid just at the beginning. Now you can spray by holding it even if the wipers are up here on the windshield. And this is good because it was a problem that all the liquid would go away. It wouldn't clean that great. And then there is a fold mirror button. So if you go to controls, there is a fold mirrors here. You can save the location. Okay. So let me see what is this about. The fold mirror button under controls. Unfold. The fold mirror button under controller has an update to have multiple states. So you can fold it and then select the position of the location, of course, of the mirrors. The mirrors now have 4 states. Fold mirrors. This button will fold your mirrors and then briefly change the save location. Save location, if your mirror were recently folded, then you'll be presented with the save location button and will cause the vehicle to always fold its mirror when it arrives near this location. Okay, that's cool. So basically is on a GPS, I guess, location based. So if you have a narrow, garage or, parking spot, whatever. Interesting. I wouldn't, I think, use it, but connectivity icon. Tesla connectivity icon is now always displayed in the status bar to give you instant access to the vehicle signal strength, and it's right here. I have LTE, okay, and it gives you like I think 2, 4, 5 bars, 5 or 6 bars. Okay, so Tesla connectivity icon is now always displayed. The status bar gives access. Prior to this update, the cellular connection icon was only displayed if you there was low or no coverage, or if you went into the main control. Okay. Turn signal. The vehicle turn signal icon are now easier to see at a glance. Instead of the arrow being inside of a circle, the new turn signal are now simple arrow with better matches other vehicle. Okay, so you get larger icons here for the left and right signal, I guess. Okay, just an icon change. New Wi-Fi menu. This is new. So there is a new Wi-Fi menu that makes it easier to connect to vehicle Wi-Fi. The new menu can be found under Control Wi-Fi. So under here, you have Control, okay? And here there is the new menu, Wi-Fi, and it will show you the Wi-Fi connections. So you have a dedicated, let's say, page on the main screen. The update menu replaced the old dialog box that appeared when you tap the Wi-Fi icon on top of the control menu. The status icon on top of the screen will be presented to let you quickly view whatever is the vehicle is connected to Wi-Fi or is in signal strength, which is good. So there is a dedicated page on the control display. New Bluetooth menu. So if you go here, there is a new Bluetooth menu, and here you have your phones here, you see, and then all the other devices. Good. So we have a dedicated Bluetooth page. So similar to Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth menu is now located under controls, Bluetooth, instead of an overlay on the screen, which is good. To make additional room for the additional Wi-Fi and Bluetooth option, the left column, you can now scroll the column vertically with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth upgrade and upgrades being the last options. Okay, so in the scroll, sorry, here there are the last options: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and then upgrades. Nice. What else? And that's it. Yep. So 15 new features. Most likely there will be some updates ones too. Took around 40 minutes to do the update. I'm going to do some tests with the metric slides and check if there are new and undocumented changes. If there will be, I will make a video out of it. There should be coming an update to the navigation data. Most likely it's going to be location based. So we have the EU, I'm at the EU 2024.2. So we'll see if it comes. Anyway, I'm done with this update. It was a long one. So please leave a like, subscribe to the channel. It will help me a lot to do more videos. Share it and turn on notification if you're already subscribed, and check out my Tesla referral. Now if you buy a Tesla, you get 3 months of free FSD, but the first month in the US is going to be free. They're giving to everybody that are capable FSD, which is good. So use my referral, and all the links about my accessories are installed. Check them out, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.